We do begin with breaking news at this hour, and the question, did you feel it? A powerful earthquake struck Northern California this afternoon, followed by a swarm of smaller quakes.
Lots of folks calling our newsroom saying they felt it all the way down here in Bakersfield. 17's Eitan Wallace in studio now. He's been tracking this and joins us with where the earthquakes struck exactly. Eitan?
And Jim and Tammy, let's get right to it. Just before 4 o'clock this afternoon, a magnitude 5.9 quake struck in the Smith Valley, Nevada area. That's about an hour southeast of Lake Tahoe along the Nevada-California border. Now, as we zoom in a little bit more on this map, you can see exactly where that is. Following that quake, at least 14 other quakes, you see it right there, struck the region, including one with a 4.6 magnitude. Pretty big right there. One clarification here, though, as we take the full map on screen. Originally, the U.S. Geological Survey reported a magnitude 4.8 earthquake near Farmington, that's south of Sacramento, but that has since been taken down. The California Office of Emergency Services says there are no preliminary reports of damage or injuries, but this is a rapidly evolving situation, and more details are coming by the minute. Again, all these quakes striking just southeast of Lake Tahoe. Meantime, a lot of people writing us to our various KGET social media accounts. Got a lot of comments on my phone, on my Facebook, saying they felt it across the county from Wasco to Tehachapi to right here in downtown Bakersfield, places like the Public Health Department and Hart Hospital, all over town, people feeling it. Now, joining us now, local geologist Emily Fisher here with reaction. Emily, thanks for taking the time. Really appreciate it. First and foremost, got to ask you, what happened here? We originally had a 5.9 just southeast of Lake Tahoe, and then the USGS saying that they had a 4.8 just south of Sacramento near Farmington. Can you tell us why was that taken down, and what's going on here in general?
One of the things to keep in mind that when we have reports go up, they are auto-generated, right? Within less than a second of the seismometers noticing an earthquake, they're posted online. So sometimes that data wasn't exactly accurate, and they're constantly going through and updating them and having seismologists review them later. So the data does change with time as we learn stuff and review it.
I see. Well, got to get to the 5.9 here, and then that was followed by immediate 14, at least 14 other earthquakes after that original earthquake. Got to ask you then, at least 14 struck near the California-Nevada region. What does this tell us? Is there an active fault in this area?
Oh, there's absolutely an active fault. On the east side of the Sierras, that skyline where you can see the mountains rise straight up, like that's caused by a fault, and it's still moving today, and that's exactly what we're seeing. The 5.9 that we experienced is a normal fault, so the mountains got a little bit further away, and the valley dropped down just a little bit when we felt that energy.
And by the way, you're taking a look on screen here. Look at all those clusters, just earthquakes that struck in this general area. Obviously, you heard earlier, I mentioned a lot of shaking here in Kern County. What should the people of Kern County know about this quake? And it's obviously impossible to predict a future quake, but could there be future shaking here?
One thing that happens is usually there's a big earthquake where we get a huge amount of motion, and it's really typical to have a whole bunch of earthquakes afterwards, and they can last a really long time as there's sort of settling in the rocks nearby.
Very interesting. All right. Well, a lot happening this evening. Of course, a lot of shaking here in Kern County after a magnitude 5.9 and several aftershocks hit the Northern California region near Lake Tahoe. Geologist Emily Fisher, thanks for taking the time. Appreciate it.
Thanks for having me.
All right. Tammy, over to you.
All right, thanks, Eitan, for that. And a reminder, you can download the MyShake app to get earthquake warnings on your phone. Hundreds of earthquake sensors across California track the tremors and warn you just before shaking happens. It's available for iOS and Android phones. And it's also been 2 years this week since the earthquakes in Ridgecrest hit. 17's Eitan Wallace returned to Ridgecrest and Trona to see how those communities are doing 2 years later. You can find that special report by going to our website, kget.com.